And get all the shot, dude. Get all the shot. Oh, that's beautiful. That's amazing. Praise the Lord, this is amazing. What a beautiful shot that is. Folks, I'm on YouTube. It's September 16th, 7:45 a.m. We're just crossing the Strait of Georgia from, this is Galliano, no, Main Island on the right here, and this is the Strait of Georgia, looking southward at Mount Baker. And it is the most beautiful day to take the ferry. So I'm just going to do a 5-minute video here and then try to upload to YouTube later on. If you like the video, like and subscribe and look for more great content. The mountain in the background is Mount Baker, and it's in the U.S., Washington State. So I believe it's also a volcano, if I'm not mistaken. I'm on the Spirit of Vancouver Island. It's docked at Swartz Bay. Leaves out of there 7, 11, 3, and 7. This is the route Swartz Bay to Tsawwassen on the BC Ferry Corporation. You know, if you look at the water out there, it looks like the sun is reflecting out the water. I can see the different color of water. It looks like the Fraser River kind of water, but actually the sun is reflecting off of it. It's more like orange colors. The green color is kind of cool. Depending on being on camera. Get a shot, buddy. Come on, seriously. Oh, goodness. Praise the Lord, what a day is this? Alright, this is Brock Johnson signing up on YouTube. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Otherwise, it's signing out. Have a great day. Bye.